Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi, Assistant Professor EEE Department in KSR College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about timer and counters in 8051 microcontroller. Timer and counters are available in 8051 microcontroller. It is used for measuring the time intervals, generating delays, and counter is used to count external events and performing precise timing operations. 8051 has two 16-bit timers and counters. They are timer 0 and timer 1. Timer and counter act as two modes. The first one is timer mode. In timer mode, the timer increments based on the internal clock frequency. In counter mode, the counter increments based on the external events applied to specific pins. Timers are mainly used for delay generation and counters are used for counting external pulses. In 8051 microcontroller, there are two timers. The first one is timer 0 and then timer 1. Each timer has 16-bit and it is split into two 8-bit. It is timer 0 lower byte, timer 0 higher byte. In timer 1 lower byte, timer 1 higher byte. So these timers are controlled and managed by the two register, timer mode register and timer control registers. TMOD register, that is timer mode register. It is a 8-bit register. It is used for controlling the mode of timer 0 and timer 1. It can be divided into two 4-bit fields. Lower 4 bits for timer 0 and upper 4 bits for timer 1. The next register is timer control register. It is also an 8-bit register. It controls the start and stop of timers and interrupt flags. Timer mode control register, TMOD register. It is a 8-bit register. The lower 4-bit is used for controlling timer 0 and the upper 4 bits is used for timer 1. Here the lower 2 bits M1, M0 is used for mode selection. B1, B0 is used for timer 0 and B5, B4 is used to select the timer modes for timer 1. B2 is used to select the timer and counter selection. 0 is used to select the timer and 1 is used to counter. Then this is the gate control for timer 0 and this is the gate control for timer 1. If this bit is 0, it acts as an internal clock. If it is 1, it acts as an external clock. So TMOD is a timer mode operation of the 8 timer and counter register. Here the M1, M0 is used for selecting the mode. The lower 2 M1, M0 is used to select mode selection for timer 0. So this is for mode selection of timer 1. This is used to select the timer or counter. 0 means timer gets selected, 1 means counter gets selected. This is the gate control for timer 0. 0 means internal clock, 1 means external clock. There are 4 modes in timer and counter register. Mode 0 acts as 13-bit register mode. In mode 1, it acts as a 16-bit register mode. Mode 3 is a auto reload mode and mode 3 is a split timer mode. So this is the structure of the TCON register. It also a 8-bit register. The upper 4 bits is used for controlling the timer operations. So this is the timer 1 overflow flag. It's the timer 1 run control bit, and this is the timer 0 overflow flag. It is the timer 0 run control bit. And the lower 4 bits is used for the detecting the interrupt status. So timer and counters in 8051 microcontroller has two timers, timer 0 and timer 1. So timer 0 is a 16-bit register and timer 1 also 16-bit register. It can be act as either timer or counter. If it is internal clock signal, it acts as a timer. It is used to generate time delay. If it external clock events given, it acts as a counter. These timers and counters are managed by the two registers TMOD and TCON. These two registers are 16-bit registers. Thank you.